Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking a lot about Polygon Matic. If you guys are Polygon holders, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. As we get started, I do want to talk about where we're going to see Polygon by the end of the year, end of May and June as well. So we are going to be doing price predictions at the end of the video, but I do want to talk about why this is a big deal that Polygon is a gainer. So right now in the gainers list, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 gainers. That is not very many at all. Polygon being one of the well-known ones in that list. It's great to see Polygon continue to do very, very well. Polygon is one of those coins that we followed a lot on this channel for obvious reasons. It's one of those that has massive potential behind what it's doing. The utility behind Polygon is fantastic, and that's why we see this 8% increase in the last 24 hours. If we take a look at the last week alone, a 23% increase. In the last month is a 172.64% increase. So during the dip that everybody saw, it looks like for the most part, we didn't see much for Polygon. Nothing too substantial. If we take a look at the last 24 hours, we saw it go all the way down to 78 cents from, I guess 92 cents. So it was there, but, instantly recovered pretty much. And then we saw it kind of rise previously throughout these last 24 hours. So Polygon's one of those coins that's doing very, very well, recovered very, very well from this recent market dip. Let's talk about, this Polygon, what it does. So if you guys don't know, Polygon Matic is Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on the Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in proof of stake consensus. So this is a big deal. Obviously, Polygon is one of those coins that has massive potential. We've talked about that because obviously helps Ethereum become even better is exactly what we need. In the idea that it helps scale, as well as has so many different new partnerships and integrations every single day. We're going to cover just a few real quick. So just in the last 24 hours, most of these are, and it's just crazy to see how many Polygon has really reached out and grabbed in the last 24 hours. So we see Nifty's Museum, unique decentralized NFT trading protocol, NFT20, is now live on Polygon. NFT20 will enable NFT owners to trade, buy, and sell, and swap NFTs directly on the platform. Next, we have happy to announce the Odds Finance is integrating Polygon. Odds Finance is the first options trading platform on Polygon where users can trade using customized options and rewards. To go on to the next one, we're pleased to share that Stakefish's leading POS validator now secures Polygon. Delegate your Matic and earn rewards. Secure the network at Stakefish. So, like I said, a lot of integrations, a lot of partnerships. We have Vadra's decentralized donation platform for content creators is live on Polygon. Vadra is now integrating Polygons to bring zero fees to the creators. Vadra empowers creators with a bunch of powerful tools and integrations to get paid fairly. We also see the Unilend Finance expands to Polygon, unlocking the full potential of DeFi with affordable and high-speed TXNs. You can actually see, obviously, transactions, and we can actually see users can enjoy Unilend's full suite of products, including trading, lending, flash loans, yield farming, and so much more. We have now a new partnership. Thrilled to announce the Aussies has partnered with Polygon. The flagship protocols of Aussies include Orbit Chain, Belt Finance, and Clay Swap. With Polygon, Aussies will be contributing to the expansion and growth of the DeFi ecosystem. Now we have pleased to announce that The Alley, India, an open platform for creators, producers, and filmmakers will be building on Polygon. Now we have the final one we're going to take a look at today. This was very recent, 9:20 a.m. today. Introducing NFT Marketplace by Coinbase. Coinbase Co. is launching their NFT Marketplace in a Discord bot on Polygon. Now users can buy and sell NFTs, collectibles, or content on Coinbase NFT Marketplace, seemingly using Matic. So just like I said, a ton of partnerships, ton of integrations. Polygon, pretty much every day you're seeing massive amounts of new partnerships and integrations, really taking advantage of the Polygon ecosystem and what Polygon really accomplishes and does. And that's exactly what we want to see. Polygon users and holders are seeing great increases even in the last 24 hours. In the last week, we see a 23% increase. In the last month, a 172% increase, which is massive. Obviously, anyone holding on to, Polygon at this 30-cent range, you are seeing great profits. And I don't think it's over yet. If we take a look quickly at the Polygon website, we see Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. So Polygon is a protocol and framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. If we go down to the challenge, we've always talked about the challenge as well as the solutions. The Polygon does the solutions very, very well. They cover the challenges specifically in their solutions. So they talk about Ethereum as a blockchain development platform of choice, but it has limitations, obviously being the low throughput, poor UX, and no sovereignty. If we go down to the solution, you can see Polygon, a protocol entry framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. They talk about the one-click deployment of preset blockchain networks, growing set of modules for developing custom networks, and then they talk about the interoperability protocol for exchanging arbitrary messages within Ethereum and other blockchain networks, modular and the optional security as a service as well. They talk about the adapter modules for enabling interoperability for existing blockchain networks as well. So a lot of solutions that really show their features as well. So they talk into a little bit about what Polygon does well, and they talk about Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into an interactive feature set built by developers for developers. So we have the ETH compatibility, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, user experience, developer experience, and obviously the modularity. They have a ton of projects that are obviously using the Polygon architecture already, and we're seeing more and more every day really take advantage of Polygon. But this is just a few of the Polygon architecture here. You can learn more about the team. I always suggest doing so if you're looking to invest in a coin. Make sure the team is doing something that makes sense and they are able to actually accomplish it. You don't want somebody, unfortunately, a dropout out of high school can definitely do it. It's just a higher risk than, unfortunately, somebody that has a master's or a doctorate coming out from studying blockchain or whatever else. So it's just one of those things to take a look at. Make sure you have a good idea of what the team is capable of doing. And Polygon obviously has a great team, so it's looking very promising. Polygon's always going to be one of those coins that a lot of people are looking into and wishing they got in earlier. If we take now a look at the Polygon chart, I do want to say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing, as this is not financial advice. We see in the last month alone, like I said, a 98 cent right now, 172% increase, which is just massive. Obviously, the volume in the last 24 hours alone is increasing substantially at $1.5 billion. I do think this will continue to rise. I think we will continue to see some price increases. And now we're going to be jumping into our price predictions for May, June, and 2021. I will say, guys, I am not a I guess 100x guy. So I'm always going to be saying conservative price predictions, trying to keep them on the realistic side of things. So just remember that while we go through this. So to first off, started this off, I want to talk about where Polygon's going to be. I'm going to say right around, previously, if we take a look, this $1.05 is our current all-time high on the recent side of things. We see that $1.05 May 8th, 8 p.m. I do think we're going to push past that again. Obviously, Polygon's way too successful, way too needed, and like I said, utility-based to not push past that $1.08. And because of that, I think, Polygon pushes close to about $1.25 by the end of this month. I think, by the end of May, $1.25 is a very reasonable price prediction, actually very on the conservative side. We could see it do much higher and bigger things. I think by the end of June, we see Polygon push close to $2. I think $2 is something that we can actually see Polygon push for by the end of June. I'm going to say closely to about $1.50, $1.75, just because these are conservative price predictions. Jumping into the end of 2021, our price target should be right around $6 to $7. I think Polygon has what it takes to easily make it to $6 to $7, and I think that's going to be a target for me for 2021. So Polygon's looking really good. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree or disagree with my price predictions, as well as take advantage of all the referrals in the links below. You can take advantage. I think the best one to take advantage of right now is going to be Voyager. You get $25 off, or you get $25 of Bitcoin, I think, when you first deposit. So you can definitely jump in the description below, take advantage of that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one.